In the twilight's embrace, where dreams collide, we stand on the edge with nothing to hide. The winds of change are whispering low. With every heartbeat, we're ready to go. Through valleys of doubt and mountains of fear, we'll carve our own path with our vision clear. The stars are our guide, the moonlight our song. In this journey together, we've been here all along. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find our way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We're reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. As the dawn breaks gently, painting the sky, we'll capture each moment, let our spirits fly. With every sunrise, a new chapter begins. In the canvas of life, we'll find where love wins. Through trials and triumphs, we'll write our own fate. With the fire of our passion, we'll never be late. In the dance of the cosmos, we'll twirl and spin. With every heartbeat, we'll feel the rush within. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find our way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We're reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. And when the night falls and the world feels cold, we'll light up the darkness with a love so bold. With every heartbeat, we'll shatter the chains. In the light of our love, nothing remains. Through the silence and chaos, we'll rise above. In the depths of our souls, we'll find our love. With dreams intertwined, like stars in the night, we'll chase on forever until the morning light. Reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. So here's to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every step forward, we leave fear behind. In the tapestry of when the stars light up your eyes, I see the universe deepen in your smile. Every shadow fades and time stands still. In this moment, it's just you and me, wrapped in a dream where the world is free. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. Through the fields of wildflowers we roam. With every gentle breeze I feel at home. Your laughter echoes like a sweet refrain. With you, my darling, I'll never feel pain. We'll write our story in the softest embrace. touch ignites a spark, a warm trace. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. Time can't measure the depth of our dreams. In this love so pure, nothing's as it seems. With each passing moment, I believe it's true. A love like ours will always renew. Through stormy nights and sunny days, together we'll wander forever ablaze. As the dawn kisses the night goodbye, I'll treasure your warmth, never asking why. In the tapestry of life, you're my favorite thread. With you, every challenge feels easier to tread. Let's build a future hand in hand. In this beautiful journey, together we'll stand. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. So here's my promise, my heart in your care. In this life and the next, I'll always be there. With whispers in the moonlight, let love be our guide. Forever and always with you by my side. In this timeless romance, our spirits will soar. With every sweet whisper, I'll love you more. In the quiet of the evening glow, when shadows dance and whispers flow, we stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, with threads of courage woven through the night. We'll leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath we're reborn, through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In the journey of 1,000 stories told, with hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In this symphony, we're all as one. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but